Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys one of the ways that I like to style my hair to keep my length and add a little bit of volume. So this is the way that I style my hair when I wear my curly clip-ins. And let's get started. So I'm first going to do a scalp massage with my favorite hair oil, the Max Beauty oil, and use my little scalp massager thingy. I love doing this. And then I'm gonna take my crece pelo and I'll be adding honey and extra virgin olive oil to it for extra moisture. Do not add too much or your hair will feel sticky. And I felt like I added too much honey in this video. So don't do that. Just a tiny bit just to boost it up, you know? I left that on my hair for 15 minutes and then I shampooed with a clarifying shampoo. And I'm going to be using a conditioner, a volumizing conditioner as a leave-in with my crece pelo leave-in to give it a little bit more volume. I did have to go back in and re-wet my hair in the video after I applied the volumizing conditioner. So I did that, and then I put the crece pelo leave-in, and then I detangled my hair. The way that I'm applying the product is first I'm finger combing, and then I'm gonna be, for the gel, I'm gonna be doing the praying hand method. And the gel that I'm gonna be using today is the Wetline Extreme Gel, but the blue one. So the blue one I find dries faster, but over time I feel like it's not good because it's more drying, but I don't use it that much. But I'm glad that I did try it. So on days that you're like in a rush, use the blue one. But other than that, I would stick to the clear. After I applied the gel, I make sure that I get rid of any frizzies, and that's when I know that I'm done with the gel. I try not to put too much because then it'll weigh my hair down. And I don't scrunch. That's how I keep the length in my hair when I style it this way. I'm only gonna be scrunching the other side of my head. I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit. It's like this front piece of my hair that I damaged myself because I left on my dye too long and then I straightened it after. And I needed to give myself some time to bounce back before I straightened it. But normally that is what I do. I straighten my hair after I dye it just to see how my hair looks. But don't do that. I think it was the combination of the chemical and then the heat. Those two right there together just ruined it. So that's the only bit of scrunching that I do right there. That is it. I let my hair air dry in this video. And then it's dry right here, and I'm gonna take my hair as if I was putting it into a ponytail, and then I fluff it out, and that's how I do it. Length and volume. And I'm also gonna show you guys a different way I style it, but this is the way that I do it for the most part. I love it. Isn't it cute? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you are enjoying my content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.